All right, guys, bumpers on and check this out. This thing looks so amazing. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CA Builds. If you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Today, we're back on the Jaguar F-Type R. I have been sick for about 3 weeks now, so I couldn't show you guys the progress of how it got painted. But it is all painted. It's looking absolutely beautiful. Let me show you guys the paint job. All right, here it is, and look how amazing it looks. Everything turned out perfect. The color match is perfect. We got the bumper painted, the hood, this fender part over here, the door, and we actually blended the quarter panel because the color wouldn't match, and you'll be able to see it on this line over here. So basically, man, this motorcycle outside. Basically, the whole side, the bumper, the hood. We blended the hood because the hood was damaged right here. And this part got fixed and it's looking perfect. Look at that. And then we blended the hood onto this side so the color matches perfectly over here with the door as well. It's looking really good, but now I just have to reassemble everything. So I have to assemble the bumper, the vents on the hood, put on fender liners. We're actually missing one fender liner. I think the driver's side over there. It's supposed to be here in a few days. But put that on, the emblem here. We got the whole door to reassemble. You can see inside the door. All right. You could see inside the door. It's all taken apart, so we still have to do the wiring, put on the door panel, the mirror, the side skirt. Basically, we have a lot of work on our hands, so let's start working. I started off with the hardest part. This door just has so much going on here, but I already got a lot on. I got this main plastic on, the big plastics around it, these little trims over here. Still have to put on the mirror, and then I guess put on the door panel, and this should be all done. And the door is 100% done. Got the door panel on. I got the mirror on. Everything's looking amazing. It turned out perfect. I hate doing doors. There's just so much work, but this one's completely done. Now I'm gonna throw on the side skirt. It's gonna go right there, and then put on the little plastic and rubber pieces that go around it. I got the side skirt on and it's looking even better. Every piece I put on here is just making it look so much better. Check out the inside of the door. I got this rubber piece on, this plastic piece on over here. Everything's perfect. The door closes perfectly. I just have to put a couple more bolts underneath the side skirt and tighten that up. And then I'll start working on the front, put that emblem on, the hood vents, and then maybe the bumper. All right, I got the side skirt screwed in underneath, so it's on 100%. It's looking really good. Now I'm gonna put on this big old emblem right here. See where it's at. This one over here, it goes something like that. So let's get it on there. That was actually super easy. The emblem just clips in there. It's looking really nice. Now, since we already have the hood open, I'm gonna put on the 2 hood vents we have right there. The hood vents are on, and look how sick that looks. Those look so sick. All right, the only thing we have left now is to put the whole bumper together and throw on the fender liners. I have only 1 fender liner for now. I don't think I'll be putting it on just yet. I'll wait for the other one and just put them on at the same time. But let's get this bumper all put together. Check this out. The bumper is 100% complete. All the grills, sensors, everything's on. It's looking absolutely amazing. I'm not gonna throw it on the car just yet. I'm gonna wait for the fender liner to come in. So tomorrow when it comes in, I'll put both of the fender liners on, and then I'm gonna throw the bumper on, and it will be basically done. All right, guys, that is a wrap for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Next day here, guys, we got both of our fender liners in. They're right there. Now I'm gonna raise up the car. I'll see, maybe I'll have to take off the wheels, maybe not. And then we're gonna throw on our bumper. So let's get these suckers on. All right, this side fender liner is on. That was pretty easy. Other than the bracket that was bent back here, I had to bend it back out, but that's all good. This one's on. Now I just gotta hop on this side and throw this fender liner on. All right, I got both fender liners on. These are looking good. I got our foam absorber on, and we're ready to throw on the bumper. So now I'm gonna throw on the bumper and see what it looks like. All right, guys, bumper's on, and check this out. This thing looks so amazing. Everything's lining up perfectly. The bumper lines up really nice over there. In the middle, everything is perfect. That side, check out these headlights. These things look so sick. This thing looks amazing. It turned out absolutely perfect. I actually want to take it outside. You guys can see a little better. Hear this thing run. All right. It's the quiet mode. Oh yeah. Let's take it outside. All right, guys, we got it outside. This thing looks even better out here. It looks so sick. It's basically done. There's just a couple little things. We have to clear the airbag light, put a shield underneath the bumper, but we need to do alignment first because they'll have to take that off to do alignment. But look at this thing. This thing looks so sick from every angle. It looks so good. You can never tell it was an accident. Everything got repaired perfectly. This thing looks brand new, just needs a good wash. All right, guys, that is a wrap for today's video. Check out the Jaguar. This thing turned out absolutely amazing. Everything is just perfect. Sadly, it is coming to an end. This thing is basically done. I might do another video on it. I'm not sure, doing just the little things. Clearing the airbag light, doing alignment, just little things like that. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss out on anything. I am looking for a new build, something new, something different. You guys don't want to miss out on it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.